Hello, today we are going to draw a drawing of kiwi fruit. This fruit is one of the healthiest fruit you can have. This fruit originated in China. It has got its name from a bird which is also called kiwi. Since this fruit looks like that bird, it has got the name. So I hope you all like to eat this healthy food. So keep the copy in landscape form and draw the sketch. Start from the plan, draw the glass first and then the kiwi fruits around it. Once the sketch is done, we'll start from wet on wet. So put water in the entire page except the highlight on the glass. Then apply light green wherever you see, wet on wet, and ochre yellow in the rest of the page. Please leave a white frame around the painting. Now prepare two colors. One is leaf green, that is viridian hue plus little yellow, and the second is sap green. We'll first apply leaf green wet on dry wherever we see on the top portion of the liquid. Once it dries, we'll apply sap green on the edge. Then we'll apply leaf green on the side portion of the glass, wet on dry. Now the juice of kiwi fruit is little yellowish in nature. So what we will do, we will take lemon yellow and wet on dry lemon yellow in the light green portion. Please note, the lemon yellow is only in the light green portion. It is not on the leaf green portion or sap green portion. Now we'll apply light green on the top portion of the kiwi fruit on the leaf. We'll also apply sap green on the side of the glass in the juice area and also a bit on the top portion of the juice, wet on dry. For the outer portion of the kiwi fruit, we'll first prepare a color by mixing brown and ochre yellow, and wet on dry we'll apply it wherever we see. For the leaf, we will apply viridian hue using strokes and then soften it with bit of light green. On the left part of the pieces of kiwi fruit, we'll apply sap green on the top. In the center kiwi fruit, we'll apply leaf green DL tick mark around the white portion. In the bottom portion of the bottle, we'll first apply grey, wait for it to dry, and then we'll apply a bit of dark grey. Now in the outer part, we'll prepare dark brown, that is brown plus black, and apply wet on dry wherever we see. To give the effect of seeds in the kiwi fruit juice, we'll prepare dark green, that is viridian hue plus black, and give dot 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 feel. You don't have to be very accurate in the dot dot feel. The dot dot feel will also be on the top portion of the cut kiwi fruit. Now we will take brown and soften the dark brown with brown. While we are applying brown, we will use the brown in dot dot form so that it gives a realistic effect. We'll also soften the brown with a bit of brown and ochre yellow so that the edges get softened. Now we'll start from the background. For the portion inside the glass, we'll prepare a color by mixing brown and green, dark green. We'll apply it in the inside portion of the glass. For the outer portion of the glass, we'll add a bit of black to brown and dark green and apply it on the outer portion. A bit of black. All of this is wet on dry. Now to the brown and dark green color, we'll apply a bit of yellow so it will become a little lighter, and we'll apply that color in the inside portion of the glass wherever we see, and also in the outer portion on the top and below the fruits and the glass as shadow. So the color is brown plus dark green plus bit of yellow. It is on the top and in the bottom part. It is also inside the glass smudging with the previous dark color. Now we'll just draw the shadow. For the shadow we have to use dark brown again. So brown plus black below the fruits, below the leaf, below the glass, and we'll just soften the edge a bit. This is the final picture. All the best. Control the water carefully.